Okay, we have here a Singer portable battery operated record player, probably from the 1960s or 70s. We'll try it out. The 45 piece is stored in the lid. The arm lifts up and extends out to move it. Turn it on. Hold on a second. We'll get a record on here. Hold on. I'll try the other side. Better song. Pull the arm all the way over it, shuts it off. I'll put it in the off position. The only problem with it is the volume. That's the whole way down. It does get very loud. I've replaced foam in the lid that helps protect the arm, I guess. I put a brand new cartridge and needle in it to get it to work. I also put a piece of this padding in the battery compartment. It's in pretty good shape. Second. There we go. There it is. Takes 4D batteries.